So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I will teach you how to fix network problem not initialized in BGMI. So since now after update BGMI, it gives many problems in network connections. So I will teach you how to solve this. At first you have to go in your settings. After going in settings, search for app management. So here is to app management and go in the app list. After going in app list, here scroll down and get this Battleground India. Click here and you have to click in this force stop. After clicking force stop, click in storage uses and you have to clear this both clear cache and clear data. After doing that, come to permission once. After coming in permissions, click in storage and make sure that your app should be allow, not any allow. So after doing this, so here is your BGMI Battleground. After doing this, go in the software where updated. Without updating your software, your game will be not open. So you have to update your software. After updating this, you have to go for airplane mode. You have to click on and off. So after doing this once, you have to install your BGMI app. So you have to install your BGMI app. So after installing, install again your app. So after this, you can play your games without any network problem. So thanks for watching this video.